What's up guys, it's your boy Juan back with your new video. I know I just made a video, but my parents are gonna go like somewhere right now. Like they're gonna come back in 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna make a quick video about one of my cars that I have. They're really nice. Like for example, I have a Lambo. I'm gonna go get it because it's right there, like 4 feet away from me. See when I get it. I don't know how. I'm not good at pausing videos and all that. I'll see you when I get it. Peace. Peace. What's up? So, I'm back. Here is my Lambo. So, I think the front opens. Yep, it opens. There's a wheel up there. You could take it off, but I don't want to. Like, it's kind of hard. Fine, I'll just show you. Here it is. The wheel came off. Uh-oh, now it's hard to take it off. Put it back. There we go. So the car's open, very cool. Watch that. Boom. The back, it opens. Boom, the motor's in the back. So that is the Lamborghini. Very nice. It's a very good. It's very nice design. Like the seats right there. So I'm gonna put it back. Oh man, I can't reach. The next car I'm gonna be showing you is right here in front of me. This is the car. So it could open the front. Boom, like that. The engine. Could open the doors. Boom. The back could also open. Think it could. Yep, it could. Right there. So that's it for that one. I have this other one. I don't really like. I'm gonna go get a Corvette. By the way, this is my first Corvette I've ever gotten. I thought it was one of those because like the shiny makes it look like it was metal, but it's actually one of those plastic ones. I customed it. I changed the wheels. The wheels are like supposed to be on a different car. I think it's supposed to be on a big Mustang, Ford Mustang. Uh-oh. The wheels came out. Oh, damn it. Uh-oh. Okay. There, I put it back. I'm gonna go put it back now. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna be showing you one more car because it's very hot in here, so I need to go downstairs. So it's right here in front of me too. This one is very cool. This one is very cool. Yep, the front could open. Motor is dark. Back. Open the door. And there, that's all for that car. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Smash that like button, turn on those notifications if you're gonna find one uploading a brand new video. See you next time. Peace. Wait a minute, I forgot to do something. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Peace. Heck, why didn't you stop?